guys, and Bubble Leapers is confirmed to come out today. So why not rank the soundtrack for the game? Gotta have the F again because I removed it. Because of course I did. Okay, so first off we have Welcome Bubble. I would say that's an A tier. Then we have Ahoy Me Treasure, which I really love every single one of these, but still gotta listen to this. Which I really know it's gonna be as it's my favorite. Yeah, also sorry for a bit of background noise. I got probably stupid. Yep. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna say S tier. Mod Boy's Room. Oof. I like it. It's good. If you are not a mod, you are not gonna do this. But I still decided to add it here. Cause why not? I mean, it's a banger. This is a banger. That's a beat here. Groceries. Also, if you're asking why the hell do we have groceries again? This is the old version. Yeah, I just made it again. So we're gonna be listening to the new one, which is here. My title is not the old one, but I can say S tier. Yeah, S tier. Actually, no, A. Behind you. Oh, no, nothing there to say. Behind you. Fun fact, first this guy was supposed to have a mouth. I couldn't draw it, so that's why it's like this. As you see, it's kind of a dow, like repeats the same, but that's why it goes hard. Ooh, Deserted, one of my favorites, to be honest. Honest. Oh wait, sorry, I reset them many times, sorry. And Unreal, right? Deserted, definitely not that great. I would say like it's a B. Groceries old. Nothing to see there. It's definitely my least favorite. It's still a banger though. But the clicks them are a bit offbeat, like Shiny said. So they're not. It's you know, I'm gonna have to say that's a C tier. Alright, here's the Bubble Leapers, and when I did have time, I'll release a Bubble Leapers game and see what of this is used. The ones that are definitely gonna be there are groceries, new of course, Welcome Bubble, and Mod Boy's Room. These are the confirmed one. Other ones, not too sure about. I'll get your hopes excited about this one. Also, I don't even think about grocery is old being there. But anyway, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, the Hopstone. You can always subscribe away there. Unreal.